Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. We want to open by shifting our weight to one leg and stepping out into the Wuji position. 50-50, and the arms float up, and we're going to warm up. Inhale up, exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. The move of the day is going to be dragon playing with a pearl. Inhale, float. Exhale, sink. Float up. Hold a ball at chest level. Rotate the ball and sink it. Then we can turn, and as we turn our waist, our hands come with. One hand up by the chest, one hand by the belly. We rotate, and we turn back. And turning the waist turns the hands. Breathing in, breathing out, turning in the corners. And we can shift our weight from one foot to the other. We're shifting. We're turning. We're like a dragon, and the ball is a pearl. Dragon plays with a pearl. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Just shifting and turning, and the arms rotate in the corners, just rotating the ball. Now this is dragon playing with the pearl. So we don't have to turn in the corners. Maybe we want to shift forward and back. Maybe we want to turn but make it more of a figure 8 type of movement. Maybe we want to turn in place. One hand stays and the other hand stretches back as we turn and then come back. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, separate. Exhale, return. Maybe we drop the ball. Pull it up the body. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Holding the ball at chest level, rotating the ball, let it drop. Turning to the side, rotating the ball, turning to the other side. Shift your weight, turn your waist. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, and if you feel safe, close your eyes. We've been flowing. Slow down, slow down. Turn. Shifting and turning. Feel the ball of energy between your hands, the pearl. Conserve your energy. Breathe. And when you're ready, come back to center. Raise the ball to chest level. Drop the palms. Let them sink down by the sides of your body. Cross at the wrist. Separate the hands. Let them sink down. Shift your weight and close. Inhale up. Exhale down. Gathering chi. Rolling it to Dantian. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Thank you for joining me.